How to turn on show me in quick ad on Snapchat app. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is just go to Snapchat. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now click on the top corner on your avatar and go to the top corner right here on the settings. Now scroll down until you find see me in quick ad option. Click on it like this, and now right here it will take you to this page. Now from here you can turn on show me in quick ad easily and fast. It's very easy as you can see, and please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.